Ever heard of the Minecraft entity that's actually over 100 years old? This is the King in Yellow ARG Explained. It all starts in a viral series called Searching for a World That Doesn't Exist. A player named Durlord spawns into a totally normal seed, but things get weird fast. He starts finding man-made tunnels and structures he definitely didn't build. He realizes he's being stalked by a blurred figure in tattered yellow robes. This isn't just a glitch or a Herobrine clone. It's a cosmic horror legend from 1895 brought into Minecraft. The King in Yellow is a mysterious ruler from a lost city called Carcosa. And in the lore, just looking at him drives you insane. In the ARG, the player eventually hits a crossroads with a sign that says, "Don't turn left." Spoilers, he turns left, and the king forces him to see every secret in the universe all at once, breaking his mind. So, if you see a yellow cloak in the distance, our advice, hit Alt F4 immediately.